This is a very rough video that I'm making because we've had a gas explosion. We're making this video as a warning to others. I had a gas hob on there. You might see it on my other videos. And we just had some hot water heating up for a coffee, and it was next to the van. It was right next to the van. The van's just been repainted 1 week ago.
Look at my frizzy hair.
And somebody's got frizzy hair. Hopefully it'll all brush out. We've got a few injuries, a few blisters, burn blisters from the flying plastic. We were somebody knocked on the door, and a couple of men had seen the fire from a distance. The cooker. Sorry, I'm not speaking properly because I'm still nervous. Shaking like a leaf earlier. The dog's still going crazy. Two men saw it from a distance. The cooker was there, and they banged on the window, but I don't think it was anything serious because it was just a little kind of quiet knock on the door. And I was just getting dressed, and when I opened the door, there was a massive fire on top of the cooker. Anyway, I stupidly went to go and get a bottle of water to throw over it, which I don't think you should do on a gas fire, but it was an instinctive thing. It's a bloody good job I didn't throw the water on it, because it would have been even worse. But anyway, when I turned round to I was going to take the screw lid off the water tank. When I turned round in the van, the whole thing exploded and blew us into the van, and I got thrown against that cupboard that's been smashed. Lottie she's still got stuff on her face. We've got little bits of black plastic stuck all over us. My top set on fire. Had to pull my top off, and I got burns on my feet. This is that was the cooker. If you have a look at it, you might recognise it. That went flying through the air. It's a bloody good job it didn't hurt anybody. Set fire to the mat. Everything got blown out. Diddy the dog was attached to that rope on a lead, and it actually set fire to the lead. And even Diddy's got bits of burnt plastic on her. Yeah. So anyway, we think we're very lucky. Lost a lovely cupboard. We really loved that cupboard, but never mind. We've escaped with our lives. So now my warning is, I did notice that there was something wrong with this cooker. The flames weren't coming out properly. I think one time I closed the plastic lid on it before it had cooled down, and that might have blocked some of the nozzles, and that may have been the cause of the problem. So my warning is, if you've got a gas appliance and you know there's something wrong with it, then just throw it away and buy a new one. This little lamp heater doesn't light very well, and I've noticed it's gone black underneath. So now, because of what's happened today, I'm going to get rid of that as well. I'm going to throw it away. And actually now I think I'm going to be into raw food now. I'm not into cooking anymore, not in the campervan. So loads of avocados and lots of fruit, that kind of thing, nuts. That's the way to go for us. So be warned with your gas appliances. If that had escaped, if that had blown up in the van with the door shut, we wouldn't have got out in time, because it was a massive explosion. But it was a fireball. And our backs were on. We felt the flame on our backs.
I felt it all over my body and my scald in my hand.
Yeah. We're lucky that we survived, and we're very lucky it didn't happen in the van. If it happened in the van, I don't think we would have survived, because the whole van would have been filled.
The size of the carpet.
The whole van would have been filled with the flames, and we wouldn't have been able to get out in time. So be warned with your gas appliances.